Hello everyone, today I will teach you guys how to use this controller to connect the strip. There are two different types of controller. Let's use this black one first. At first, you should connect the USB port of the controller to the power supply. It also has two ports to connect the line, this one and this one. There are two pliers. Black pliers connect the black wire. Red pliers connect the red wire. For your safety, two pliers can't touch each other like this. Second, we have to adjust the voltage according to the color page, but the current is kept at less than 1 ampere. Once you print this black button, it can change from voltage to current. Like this, it is for voltage and it is for current. If you print the cotton again, and we can change the current, and we move the cotton to the left, the current increases, and we move the cotton to the right, the current decreases. Let's operate this LED strip. When you connect it, please pay attention to the order of the color, and then use this 3-pin to connect. Let's finish it, and you can also use this mini controller to control its speed and the model. Okay, that's all.